Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook soya chunks curry. Start by soaking your soya chunks. For every 1 cup of dry chunks, use about 3 cups of hot water. Let them sit for around 15 minutes until they become nice and soft. This step is crucial for their texture. Once rehydrated, gently squeeze out all the excess water. This ensures they'll soak up all the delicious curry spices later, making your dish incredibly flavorful and tender. Next, let's build our flavorful curry base. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, then add 1 finely chopped onion and sauté it until it turns a lovely golden brown. Follow this with 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, cooking for just about 1 minute until you smell its wonderful aroma. Finally, stir in 2 chopped tomatoes and cook them down until they're soft and pulpy, forming a rich foundation for your curry. Now for the spices. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder to your base. Cook these for about 2 minutes, adding a tiny splash of water if things get too dry. Then, add your rehydrated soya chunks, mixing them thoroughly to ensure every piece is coated in that aromatic spice blend. Pour in 1 cup of water or coconut milk and let it gently simmer. Cover your pot and let the curry simmer gently for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows all those wonderful flavors to truly meld together, creating a rich and satisfying dish. Just before serving, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala for an extra layer of warmth and a generous sprinkle of fresh chopped cilantro. Your delicious soya chunks curry is now ready to be enjoyed with rice, naan, or roti.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.